So after making my little short just now, I had this urge to say something, call it a conspiracy theory. It's something that I've been thinking about a lot, you know, normally associated with my anxiety, so I just brush it aside. But it seems more and more like that's the narrative that's going on. You know, we've heard certain leader whose country was just hit by an earthquake, caused some tsunamis and all that stuff. It's not big news. You might have heard of it. Who knows? But I've heard reports from our defense agencies and whatnot of things that plans he's had. Like the one where they said he had a plot to make people scared of air travel. That's kind of happening. There's the, causing conflict between allies, for the NATO alliance. That's kind of been happening. There's the supposed plan to create distrust through social media and distrust with the government in particular. If it quacks like a duck, right?